Good morning, children. I am your teacher Uday Kumar Singh in English. This is my second lecture from the chapter The Tale of a Tale by R.K. Narayan. This is for Standard 4 from English Reader book. Heading The Tale of a Tale. Underline it. 1. Write the word meaning of the following words. Number 1. Pandemonium. Pandemonium. Pandemonium means a situation in which there is a lot of noise and confusion. Number 2. Sarcastic. Sarcastic. Sarcastic means bitter, bitter, or mocking, mocking. Number 3. Embarrassed. embarrassed means to feel confused and ashamed. Number 4. Giggle. Giggle means to laugh softly. Number 5. Fierce. Fierce. Fierce means violent, angry. Now question 2. Some idiomatic expression and their meaning are given. You are advised to learn them. Number 1. Rajam's tale means Swaminathan always followed Rajam wherever he went like a tail. Number 2. Cast a sly look means to look at someone cunningly. Number 3. Sworn enemy, SWORN, sworn, ENEMY means people who can never be friends. Number 4. Scratch his chin means to think seriously. Now question 3. Use the given idiomatic expression in the given sentences. The idiomatic expressions are cast a sly look, sworn enemies, scratch his chin. Sentence 1. Raminder and Subhas are dash, right, sworn enemies, full stop. They never even look at each other's direction, full stop. Number 2. The fox casted a sly look, underline it, at the bird and hid in the bushes. 3. Scratching his chin, underline it. The contestant answered the question after a long pause. Now question number 4. Read the given expression and their uses. Number 1. Excuse me. It is used when you pass in front of someone or when you want to get someone's attention. Number 2. I beg pardon. This can be used at many different way. Number 1. When you did not hear someone properly and you want him to say it again. Point number 2. When you have made a mistake or perhaps accidentally bumped into someone. Now point 3. Thank you very much. When someone has given you something or done some kind deed to you. Number 4. Not at all, or it's a pleasure, or you are welcome. These expressions are used when someone thanks you for doing something for him. Now point 5. Complete the conversation given below using expressions from above. This is a conversation of a student and a lady. Student. Excuse me, did you drop the money? Question mark. Lady. I beg your pardon. Student. I said, inverted start. Did you drop this money? Question mark, inverted closed. Lady. Drop what? Question mark. Student. I have found this money, comma. I have found this money, full stop. Is it yours? Question mark. Lady. I am a little deaf. I could not hear what you said, full stop. Some money? Yes, comma. That's mine, full stop. I must have dropped it, full stop. Student. Please take the packet. Lady. Oh, thank you very, underline it. Thank you very much. Student. Not at all, full stop. Now, question number 6. Who said to whom? Extract are given. We have to write who said to whom. Number 1. Sir, comma, please let us go out. Full stop, inverted closed. Answer. Somu said this to the teacher. Number 2. Inverted comma start. What's wrong with you, comma, you little rocks? Question mark, inverted comma close. Answer. Mani said this to his friends. Full stop. Number 3. Inverted comma start. No, dash. I didn't, comma, you, dash, inverted comma close. Answer. P said this to Shankar. Full stop. Number 4. They call me Rajam still. Answer. Swaminathan said to his friends. Now question number 6. Complete the sentences. Number 1. Swaminathan entered the B grade classroom. Underline entered the B grade classroom. 2. Swaminathan saw that a word till, T-I-L, was written on the blackboard. Underline a word till written on the blackboard. Full stop. 3. Swaminathan got very angry. Underline very angry. And slapped P and Shankar. Underline P and Shankar. P-E-A-P. Underline it. Shankar. S-H-A-N-K-R. Shankar. Underline it. Full stop. Number 4. Mani and Somu took them to a lonely spot in a field adjoining the school. Underline to a lonely spot in a field adjoining the school. Full stop. Number 5. Instead of resolving the problem, they started fighting. Underline problem and fighting. Number 6. The headmaster and the peon picked them apart. Underline and the peon picked them apart. Now, question 7. Answer these questions. 2 questions are given. You have to write the answer. Question 1. Write the name of all the friends of Swaminathan. Answer. Swaminathan's friends were Shomu, comma, Mani, comma, Shankar, comma, Rajam and P. Question number 2. How did Swaminathan feel when he saw the word inverted comma start, capital T, capital A, capital I, capital L, inverted comma close, written on the blackboard? Question mark. Answer. As Swaminathan saw the word under inverted comma, capital T, capital A, capital I, capital L, till, inverted comma close, written on the blackboard, he got very angry and slapped P, P-E-A-P, P capital, and Shankar, S capital, S-H-A-N-K-A-R, full stop.